Welcome to the social science class of grade 6. We are doing the chapter 7 of geography, that is political and the physical division of India. In the last video we have discussed about the very short answer type question answer and the back exercise of this chapter. And in this video we are going to discuss the short answer and the long answer type question answer of this chapter. Let us start today's work. Short answer type questions. First question is, write in one point difference between tributary and distributary with one example from East. In this question we have to differentiate between the tributary and the distributary of the rivers and also give the one example. A small stream or river joining the main river is called its tributary. The main river divides into small stream or river at its mouth is called its distributary. For example, distributary of Ganga, Padma, joins Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Second is, Sundarban is an area of mangrove swamp. Elaborate the statement with its two main features. इसमें हमने सुंदरवन डेल्टा के बारे में बताना है कि वो कैसे बने हैं और साथ ही इसके दो फीचर बताने हैं. Sundarban area is the mangrove delta formed by the merger of Ganga and the Brahmaputra river. It is the largest delta in the world. A large part of the delta is marshy. It is the home of Royal Bengal tiger and the saltwater crocodile. Next is, describe the economic advantages of the Chota Nagpur plateau. In this question, we have to describe why the Chota Nagpur plateau is famous. The economic advantages of Chota Nagpur plateau. It lies in the east side of the Malwa plateau. छोटा नागपुर कहाँ पर स्थित है? It's the east side of the Malwa plateau, and this plateau is drained by the river Damodar. And why it is important? It is the storehouse of different types of minerals. For example, coal, iron ore, etc. We can find different type of minerals in this plateau. Next question is, write a short note on the Ghats in India. The Peninsula Plateau is bordered in the west and the east by the Ghats. The plateau is on the east side is called Eastern Ghat and on the west side is called Western Ghat. The two Ghats converge at the Nilgiri Hills और दोनों ईस्टर्न घाट एंड वेस्टर्न घाट आपस में नीलगिरी हिल के पास मिल जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. फर्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंडिया सेंट्रल लोकेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. जो इंडिया की लोकेशन है उसकी एडवांटेजेस क्या है इंडिया के लिए. The central location of India is beneficial in the following ways. First one, sea routes help in the international trade. Secondly, the Indian subcontinent is the cradle of Indus Valley civilization. Its climate is shaped by monsoon winds blowing over the oceans. इंडिया की जो क्लाइमेट है वो मानसून विंड्स पर ही डिपेंड करती है. द माउंटेन्स एंड द प्लेट्यूज ज्वाइंड बाय द प्लेन रीजन मेक द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट ए डिस्टिंक्ट ज्योग्राफिकल यूनिट. इंडिया में सभी तरह के फिजिकल फीचर्स होने के कारण इट इज लुक्स लाइक अ सबकॉन्टिनेंट. नेक्स्ट इज, डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली द थ्री मेन structural units of Indian unit. The mainland of India is divided into three main structural units. इंडिया की जो mainland है वो 3 parts में divided है. First is northern plains, second northern mountains, and third one is peninsula plateaus. Firstly, northern plains. The northern plains are one of the largest alluvial plains in the world, and these plains are generally formed by the rivers, sediments of fine sand, mud and organic matters. And second structural unit is northern mountains. The great mountains wall in the north of India consist of the highest mountain range in the world. The height of the mountain peaks is more than 7,500 meters above the sea level. And third one is Peninsula Plateau. The Peninsula Plateaus of India was formed 50 million years ago. It is made from the accumulation of thick layers of the basaltic lava. It is one of the oldest part of the Indian subcontinent. These are the three structural units of the Indian subcontinent. Next question is, what is basin? What do you know about the Indus basin? इसमें हमने डिफाइन करना है बेसिन को और इंडस बेसिन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है. The area drained by a river and its tributary is called basin. Indus basin. The Indus rises from the glacier near the Mansarovar lake in Tibet and flows through Ladakh and enter Pakistan. It is joined by the rivers Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. It ends its journey in the Arabian Sea in near Karachi in Pakistan. Only 1/3 part of Indus basin lies in India, and this part is generally known as the Punjab Plains. That's all about the short answer and the long answer type question answer of this chapter. I hope all of you understand about this. Thank you for watching this video.